What were the key structural innovations implemented to support the height of the Zalmhaven in Rotterdam's urban fabric?
Well, the key, I think, in a structural way is that we found a way to prefabricate the entire tower. And that means actually from a structural engineering point of view that the seams and actually between the elements, because you also need elements for your stability. So both in terms of the tower, it's the tube of the outside which is stability, but it's also the core. And they all have to be connected. So the floors were prefabricated, but also all elements, wall elements. And the thing there is that then that seam is the most stressing point. That has to work, and that has been tested. And I think with getting that engineering right, together with all the partners, was essential to the success of the project.
Okay. How did you ensure thermal and acoustic comfort in high-rise residential tower exposed to strong wind conditions?
Yeah, especially in the Netherlands, from the southwest, you can experience very large wind gusts, but also continued wind, especially on the corners. So engineering this corner first was essential also. And we really want to have it as a three-dimensional element. So it's really on the seams of all the window frames. But in terms of, in Dutch building decree, any building needs housing above 50 square meters, needs outdoor space, but usable outdoor space. So our outdoor spaces were tested in the wind tunnel to ensure that it would be safe, and also not just safe, but also a nice place to be at that height. And I think the trick there was that we made sure that they're not exactly in the corner, but we moved them slightly outwards to the more, let's say, the facade line. And we had coverings, glass coverings, making that inside these balconies you have a lull for wind and making it a nice place.